Eid is just around the corner, and if you're thinking you need to spend a fortune to make it special, think again. Today, I'm going to show you how to celebrate Eid in the most meaningful and memorable way, without breaking the bank. Whether you're saving money or just looking for creative ways to make this Eid extra special, you're in the right place. I've got 7 amazing tips for you. Easy, fun, and affordable ideas that'll make your Eid celebration unforgettable. Let's kick things off with a bang. DIY decorations. Who says you need to spend a lot of money to create a beautiful atmosphere? You can make your home feel festive with just a few simple supplies: paper, scissors, and a little imagination. From homemade lanterns to colorful banners and twinkling fairy lights, these DIY decorations are not only easy to make, but they'll also add a personal, heartfelt touch to your Eid. Bonus points. Get your kids or family members involved. It's a great way to bond and get creative. Next up, delicious homemade Eid meals. You don't need to spend hundreds on a fancy spread. Eid is about celebrating the blessings we have, and sometimes the simplest dishes are the best ones. Go for dishes that everyone loves. Think rice, grilled meats, or a hearty veggie stew. They're affordable, easy to make, and will fill your home with the delicious smells of Eid. And remember, cooking together is just as fun as eating together. Now let's talk gifts. Who says gifts have to be expensive? This Eid, skip the store-bought items and make something from the heart. A jar of homemade jam, a batch of cookies, or even a personalized handwritten card will go a lot further than something generic from a shop. These simple, thoughtful gifts show the love and care you put into them. And trust me, people appreciate the time and effort way more than anything you could buy. Here's one of the most beautiful ways to celebrate Eid: giving back. Acts of kindness don't have to cost a thing. Helping a neighbor with groceries, donating gently used clothes, or even just offering a listening ear to someone in need is priceless. Eid is about sharing what we have, and even the smallest gesture can make someone's day. Don't forget, when you give, the blessings multiply. All right, let's talk about one of the best gifts you can give this Eid: your time. Spending quality time with family doesn't need to be expensive. Play a board game, tell stories, or even have a picnic in your backyard. Remember, Eid is about connection. So put away the screens and spend some real face-to-face time with your loved ones. Trust me, these moments will become the memories you cherish for years to come. Can't be with your family this Eid? No worries. Technology is your friend. Set up a virtual gathering, share your Eid meals, and enjoy the festivities together from afar. Distance doesn't have to mean separation. You can still enjoy the warmth of family, share laughs, and celebrate together, even if you're miles apart. And lastly, let's not forget about reflection. Eid is a time to count your blessings, think about how far you've come, and pray for those who need our support. You don't need anything fancy to practice gratitude, just a moment of peace and reflection. Take a few minutes to reflect on all the beautiful things in your life and say thanks for the countless blessings you've received. This is the true essence of Eid. So there you have it. 7 meaningful, affordable ways to make this Eid extra special. Whether you're decorating, cooking together, helping those in need, or spending quality time with loved ones, it's all about creating beautiful memories. And enjoy yourself. Don't forget your own self too. Remember, you don't need to spend a lot to celebrate in the most meaningful way. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. And yes, share this video with your friends and family to spread the love. Wishing you all a blessed, peaceful, and joy-filled Eid. Eid Mubarak.